Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny Penton, founder of Planner Perfect. And today's video, as promised, I'm going to do a little bit of a paint with me this time. So I had my last video was where I really was planning my week, and in this one I'm going to do a couple of sketches and some watercolor in it. So I'm going to kind of take you through my planner just a little bit, and then I will also start drawing 3 different pages. I'll be sure to link down below the products I use in this video, so be looking out for that. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out of my book. This is Harper A5 I'm using, and the planner I'm using, which is all my artwork, is from my subscription box for October. So I'm going to use just little pockets. Like this day has even passed, but it's just fun. There's like a little area for me to draw some things. So I'm going to draw some candy corn here and sketch them out and then watercolor them in. You'll also see how I make a mistake and what I decide to do. So it was a little bit, it's always kind of sad when you do mess up and it's watercolor and it's in your planner after all. But always remember there's things that you can do and to remedy it, and you know, you've got to make mistakes and you got to just go for it. I just go for it. I don't even care if I mess up. It's just like, just do it. I mean, because there's no other way to actually paint in your planner other than to just paint in your planner. You'll also notice that this is dot grid. It still looks absolutely amazing to paint on the dot color, the dot grid here in Planner Perfect's Planners and Journals. Also, you will see that as I'm using my watercolors, that you get no ghosting on the other side. And with this water and all of that, I mean, I'm telling you girls, it's really great paper. It takes majority of mediums. So enjoy using this paper of all kinds, whether you do blank, graph, or dot grid. You're gonna absolutely love working with our paper to be as creative as you want and to plan your life and to write a better story. So let's go ahead and paint in these watercolored candy corn. Okay, you guys, I am coming to a close. I'm going to stop it here with my art for tonight, but I hope that you guys like it and that you now can see that having fun in your journals and your planners, planner perfects, it's easy, fun, will take most mediums. This is watercolor. It's very water heavy in this. I used a micron pen. A lot of fun, and I went back over it many times, as you can see, and there was no shadowing on the backside at all. So I use my little dryer there to get it dry so I can finish up some things, and then I come back with my Jelly Roll pen. My jelly pen, I love it so much, my white one. Yeah, so it's the Jelly Roll pen, and I just use it, and I go over my watercolor all the time with it. So helps bring it to life more and all of that. So looks really good. I'm happy with all of it, and I hope you guys had fun watching. I will link all the products that I use below. And so anyway, girls, thanks for hanging around and painting with me. There'll be more to come full of these all fall and winter long. Hey, until next time we're together.